to becoming India's largest luxury and premium automobile dealership. Our journey took over 2 decades. We are Group Landmark, and you drive us. It all started with a passion to excel, which made us a partner of choice for many. Our philosophy to be better every day has led us to become a name to be reckoned with in the industry. Our customers are at the center of our universe. And every action that we take is focused on their needs. We are there for them, always. We strive to improve with every interaction. So that we can delight our customers every time. With our experienced management, working persistently and following our unique streamlined processes, along with our uniquely trained staff who keep pushing the envelope all the time. Our competition is with yesterday. The support of our customers has led us to many firsts in the industry. We understand that every customer is different and their needs are unique. For better and efficient solutions all the time. We focus on our people as they are the synapse with our customers. Talk about the future. We are laying the foundation of it today. From tomorrow's success, we at Group Landmark are working today because you drive us. We are Group Landmark and we work to be better every day. All it takes is a spark to light a fire. To becoming India's largest luxury and premium automobile dealership. Our journey took over 2 decades. We are Group Landmark, and you drive us. It all started with a passion to excel, which made us a partner of choice for many. Our philosophy to be better every day has led us to become a name to be reckoned with in the industry. Our customers are at the center of our universe. And every action that we take is focused on their needs. We are there for them, always. We strive to improve with every interaction. so that we can delight our customers every time. With our experienced management, working persistently and following our unique streamlined processes, along with our uniquely trained staff who keep pushing the envelope all the time. Our competition is with yesterday. The support of our customers has led us to many firsts in the industry. We understand that every customer is different and their needs are unique. For better and efficient solutions all the time, we focus on our people as they are the synapse with our customers. Talk about the future. We are laying the foundation of it today. From tomorrow's success, we at Group Landmark are working today because you drive us. We are Group Landmark and we work to be better every day. All it takes is a spark to light a fire. To becoming India's largest luxury and premium automobile dealership. Our journey took over 2 decades. We are Group Landmark and you drive us. It all started with a passion to excel, which made us a partner of choice for many.
Good morning, everyone. We will start shortly. May I request everyone to start taking their seats, please?
Every action that we take is focused on their needs. There for them, always. We strive to improve with every interaction. So that we can delight our customers every time. With our experienced management, working persistently and following our unique streamlined processes, along with our uniquely trained staff who keep pushing the envelope all the time. Our competition is with yesterday. The support of our customers has led us to many firsts in the industry. We understand that every customer is different and their needs are unique. For better and efficient solutions all the time, we focus on our people as they are the synapse with our customers. Talk about the future. We are laying the foundation of it today. From tomorrow's success, we at Group Landmark are working today because you drive us. We are Group Landmark and we work to be better every day. All it takes is a spark to light a fire. To becoming India's largest luxury and premium automobile dealership. Our journey took over 2 decades. We are Group Landmark and you drive us. It all started with a passion to excel, which made us a partner of choice for many. Our philosophy to be better every day has led us to become a name to be reckoned with in the industry. Our customers are at the center of our universe. And every action that we take is focused on their needs. We are there for them, always. We strive to improve with every interaction. So that we can delight our customers every time. With our experienced management, working persistently and following our unique streamlined processes, along with our uniquely trained staff who keep pushing the envelope all the time. Our competition is with yesterday. The support of our customers has led us to many firsts in the industry. We understand that every customer is different and their needs are unique. For better and efficient solutions all the time. We focus on our people as they are the synapse with our customers. Talk about the future. We are laying the foundation of it today. From tomorrow's success, we at Group Landmark are working today because you drive us. We are Group Landmark and we work to be better every day.
Namaste and good morning, everyone. It's great to see you here this morning. Please, as you are seated, thank you so much for your patience. Before we kickstart today's program, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Renuka Dudeja, Chief Marketing Officer for Group Landmark and your host for today. I'd like to welcome each one of you here today to a very special occasion. Before we proceed, could you all please rise for the national anthem?
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गङ्गा विन्ध्य हिमाचल यमुना गङ्गा उच्चल जलधि तरङ्गा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. As I'm sure most of you would already know why you are here, it's a very proud day. Group Landmark is getting listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, established 25 years ago. With its first dealership of Honda in Ahmedabad, we have come a long way. Today, we are India's one of the largest automobile dealership network in the premium and luxury category, with 7 global brands, 112 state-of-the-art facilities across 38 cities operating in 8 states and union territories. The unflinching trust of our customers and the immense support of our family of more than 4,000 people across the nation has made us what we are today. We are grateful to the wonderful dignitaries joining us today in this celebration, without whose support this day would not have been possible. Please give a huge round of applause to Bombay Stock Exchange, represented by Shri Girish Joshi, the Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales. Thank you, Mr. Joshi, for being here with us today. Group Landmark team, represented by our chairman, Mr. Sanjay Thakkar. A big round of applause for Sanjay. You have a big fan following, Sanjay. Our BRLMs, ICICI Securities Limited, represented by Mr. Vijay Chandok. Thank you, Mr. Chandok, for joining us. Our second BRLM, Axis Capital Limited, represented by Mr. Ashish Nigam. Thank you, Ashish, for being here. Our auditors, Deloitte Haskins and Sells, represented by Mr. Kartikeya Raval. Thank you, Mr. Raval, for your support. Our independent chartered accountants, Manubhai and Shah, represented by Mr. K.K. Solanki. Thank you, Mr. Solanki. Our company lawyers, Khetan and Co., represented by Mr. Soumya Mohapatra. Let's give Mr. Mohapatra's. Thank you. Our BRLM lawyer, Shardul Amarchand Mangaldas, represented by Mr. Shrikant Tarun. Thank you, Tarun. Our advisors, Meta Capital, represented by Dheeraj Priyani. Thank you, Dheeraj. Our company registrars, Link In Time India Private Limited, represented by Haresh Hinduja. Thank you, Mr. Hinduja, for joining us. And finally, our communication partners, Concept Communication. Is Mr. Vivek Suchanti here? Or Mr. Ravi Mehra? Mr. Mehra, thank you so much for your support. We welcome you all here. And I'm now humbled to announce the auspicious lamp lighting ceremony. It is believed to bring prosperity, welfare, and positivity in and around us. The tradition is being followed by Hindus since ancient times as a part of the Indian culture and tradition. Significance of lamp lighting, or diya as we call it, is very simple but deep. To spread the light of spiritual knowledge. I would like to invite Shri Girish Joshi to come light the lamp with us, Mr. Ashish Nigam and Mr. Vijay Chandok to also join us, please. Mrs. Ami Thakkar and Mr. Sanjay Thakkar, please do come and do the honors. Mrs. Spruha Thakkar, Mr. Ariman Thakkar, and Miss Aprajita Thakkar to also please join everyone. Miss Urvi Modi, Miss Garima Mishra, would you join us all as well? Mr. Harshal Desai, Mr. Paras Somani, could you join as well, please? Mr. Rajiv Vora, Mr. Devang Dave, Mr. Surinder Agrawal. May the goddess of light and prosperity bless us all. This is a picture-perfect moment. I think you should all take a moment to take a picture together. Yes, let's satisfy the photographers and videographers and maybe give a little wave to everyone who's joining us online today. Thank you, everyone. Moving ahead, I now request Mr. Vijay Chandok, Managing Director, ICI Securities Limited, to address the gathering by joining us here.
Thank you very much. Very good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Landmark Group and on behalf of the book running lead managers, let me extend a very warm welcome to you on this nice December morning. We are truly delighted to have all of you. While I was here, I was seeing the very happy faces of all the family members of the Landmark Group, and it told me how closely knit Sanjay Bhai has really made this company. So pleasure that all of you are able to join today in a very momentous period in the life of the company. Like I said, today's event actually marks what one I would call a landmark moment in Landmark's history. And I'll take this opportunity to talk a few things which I thought are pretty unique about the company. All of you just heard in the introductory section that this company is involved in premium automobile distribution. It's got one of the largest chains in the country. The dealerships include Mercedes, Honda, Jeep, Volkswagen, BYD more recently, and Renault. All products and services are offered here. It includes sale of new vehicles, the after-sales repair, which is a large part, pre-owned vehicles, which is a growing part of the business, and also facilitation rather, of the third-party financial products, making it all very well-rounded. This is about the business, but I think what is unique is that this would be the first listed company in this space in the country. And I think it's a landmark moment in that sense. There's no precedent in this industry which has got listed. A big round of applause to all of you. Every time the second name in the industry is much easier to put it through. The first name is always the toughest one, and it really is a hallmark of a leader. Even globally, I could think of a couple of peers, one in the US, one in China. So in India, this is the first of its kind. What makes this company also very distinct and unique is the fact that it has a presence which is across the entire nation. About 112 outlets, 8 states, and union territories. There are 59 sales showrooms, 53 after-sales service points. and growing. So there's nothing which has a footprint which is as large, which is another unique thing. I thought it's also important to talk a few highlights of this issue. The issue, as you're aware, was about little over 550 crores. It closed for subscription on the 15th of December. And again, what is really noteworthy is that this issue happened in very, very tough and volatile times. We are seeing how volatile the markets have been and continue to be as we speak. 3 times oversubscription and 9 times as far as the QIB main book is concerned. So again, a big round of applause for all the people who work. It's not just about the issue getting subscribed, it's about the quality of investors who have come to participate. And here I would really want to highlight and thank the support of some of the top mutual funds who have come in, namely HDFC, Birla, Nippon, Edelweiss. And it's not just the domestics, but even the FIIs participated, people like Goldman, investors like Goldman Sachs, Helios, PineBridge, amongst some of the others. Now, what does this tell us? This tells us that it's a strong testimony to the quality of the franchise. It's a strong vote of endorsement to the quality of the management led by Sanjay Bhai. And it's a strong vote of confidence about the premiumization of the Indian market, Indian consumer, and the ability of the management team to actually harness the entire opportunity that this great nation really offers. So clearly, I think the fact that it's a very unique position and we have such high quality names is a testimony of a very promising future to my mind. And therefore, on this note and on this auspicious occasion, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the company, the entire team, and I would also want to wish them all the best as they go through their journey of adding value to shareholders, the investors, the new members of the family who have joined Landmark. And of course, the entire community, the media community that has supported, please continue to support us. I'd also like to thank the regulators, SEBI, which has been good enough to work with through and give us the approvals expeditiously. The exchanges, BSE, NSE for their support, and of course for hosting us today for this event. With this, I would like to conclude, and I would now request Sanjay Bhai to come and talk about his vision about the company. Thank you very much. I think I did your part.
Thank you so much for such lovely words, Mr. Chandok. Ladies and gentlemen, we all know what we are gathered here for together to celebrate a dream come true, a dream that a young, dynamic boy saw 25 years ago. He had fire in his belly and passion in his heart. It's truly my honor that on behalf of the entire Landmark team, I am given the opportunity to give him a formal welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, our fearless leader, Mr. Sanjay Thakkar.
Yeah, the fearless leader. Mr. Girish Joshi and distinguished guests, it is indeed a proud moment to be standing in front of all of you today. Little did I know that the journey that we began in Ahmedabad 1998 would lead us here. I take this opportunity to thank the entire 4,000 strong team. Many of them are sitting here, for making this dream come true. As India sets out to regain its rightful place in the world, automobiles will be one of the important growth engines. India's car ownership at 3% will significantly improve as the income as well as the aspiration levels of the nations rise. Most of the developed countries have organized auto retailers and listed dealership chains, which have helped not only the automobile sales, but have created great compounded growth for its investors. Today, on 23rd December, when Landmark lists, India too will join the list of countries having listed dealership chains. We are happy to have broken the glass ceiling in the 25th year of our existence. The next 25 years is going to be that of India. We at Landmark want to be a meaningful contributor to the country's growth. I thank the 60,000 investors who have shown faith in us, and I assure them that our entire team will work overtime to deliver. I take this opportunity to thank our bankers, Axis Securities, ICICI Securities, legal counsels, Khaitan and Company, Shardul Nabalchand Mangaldas, auditors Deloitte, registrars Lincoln Time, and advisors Meta for making this IPO a great success. I also thank the hallowed institution BSE for hosting us here for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As the countdown for ringing the bell begins, I am reminded of the words of William Wordsworth. Bliss it was in that dawn to be alive, but to be young, sheer heaven. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanjay. It was such a lovely speech, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Everybody here, I'm sure, is very, very, very moved. A little about the place we are here today. Of course, I Googled. Established in 1875, BSE, formerly known as Bombay Stock Exchange, is Asia's first and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. And one of India's leading exchange groups. And it's our honor to be present here today, and we thank BSE for that opportunity. I would, on that note, like to invite Mr. Girish Joshi, Chief Trading Operations and Listing Sales, to address the gathering. Mr. Joshi, I present to you.
Good morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here at the BSE International Convention Hall for the listing ceremony for Landmark Cars Limited. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome Sri Sanjay Thakkar, Group Chairman, Landmark Cars Limited, and all its team members and even their family members. Sri Vijay Chandok, ICICI Securities Limited, Ashish Nigam, Axis Capital Limited. Landmark Cars, incorporated in 1998, is the leading premium automotive retail business in India with dealership for Mercedes-Benz, Honda, Jeep, Volkswagen, Renault. The company also caters to commercial vehicle retail business of Ashok Leyland in India. I'd like to congratulate Landmark Cars Limited on the success of its public offer. With the successful completion of its IPO, Landmark Car Limited is now the newest member in the BSE family. BSE, as Madam already said, is the world's largest exchange in terms of the number of listed companies, which stands at today 4815. Landmark will be 4816. Over the past 148 years, the exchange has successfully offered an efficient capital raising platform to Indian companies. And it is in this international convention hall that we have witnessed the development of Indian capital markets over several decades. First as a trading ring for the brokers till late 90s, and then as a convention hall post-digitization. Today, BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in all class of instruments, equity, commodities, currencies, debt, derivatives, mutual funds. BSE SME is India's largest SME platform, which has listed 409 companies and continues to grow at a steady pace. BSE was also the first exchange in India which has introduced electronic gold receipts. It was an announcement in the last budget. The benchmark index of BSE, called Sensex, is traded by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened its economy in 1991. It is also considered as a barometer for the growth of the Indian economy and preferred choice by India Inc. to raise capital across all class of capital market instruments. BSE provides a host of other services to capital market participants, including risk management, clearing, settlement, market data services, and education. Education means financial education. BSE systems and processes are designed to safeguard market integrity, drive the growth of Indian capital market, and stimulate innovation and competition across all market segments. The exchange has provided several broking technology solutions to all its members as order routing platforms. Bold Plus on web, called BOW, is one such powerful hosted real-time trading solution provided by BSE Tech Infra Services Private Limited, our subsidiary, as part of its ecosystem. BSE enables 1,300 plus brokers with over 1 lakh branches to enable trading over 12 crore investors on its platform. At BSE, we are solidly committed in bringing in services and facilities to maximize the growth of all the listed companies on our platform. Once again, on this momentous occasion, I extend my best wishes to Landmark Cast Limited and wish the entire team success in all their future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Those words were very encouraging to hear, and for everyone here, very, very inspiring. Looking forward to a very bright future. I'm just going to skip to a little section now. I'd like to invite Mr. Ashish Nigam from Axis Capital to please come and say a few words to all of us.
Hi, everyone. Good morning. Firstly, I'd like to thank BSE for the opportunity and SEBI for their continuous support. Sanjay Bhai and the entire Landmark team, it's such a good thing to celebrate this occasion with the entire Landmark team. Sanjay Bhai has always spoken about how large the team is, but it's incredible to actually meet everyone today. We at Axis Capital take immense pride in having been the left lead bank for this 552 crore IPO of Landmark Cars. The fact that it's the first automotive dealership to be listed is a very, very special occasion. I'd like to thank Sanjay Bhai, Surendra, Aryaman, Akshay, Manish Bhai, Gautam, and the entire Landmark and TPG team for giving us the opportunity. We've had the good fortune of working with the Landmark team for several years, well before this IPO process began. And we've been witness to the strong growth in scale and profitability that the company has had. We started the IPO process a little over a year back, and since then the IPO market particularly has been very, very volatile. And now the only reason why we are standing here today after a successful IPO is the passion with which Sanjay Bhai talks about the business, and all the investors saw that in all of the meetings. It's also incredible how Sanjay Bhai has patiently explained the business model to investors over the last several months, and also obviously the Landmark team for running the business at top gear while the IPO process was on. The IPO garnered a very strong response from investors across the globe. It's testimony to the business model built by the team, and more importantly, a way for investors to play the booming luxury car segment in India. As the shareholder family of Landmark grows exponentially, I'm sure the management team will continue to deliver superior returns for all its stakeholders. For us, the IPO is just the beginning of an incredible professional and personal relationship with the entire Landmark group. As we embark upon our journey of being a listed company, I'd like to again congratulate you all and wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. Very forward-looking thought process, a bright future. But what's an occasion of celebration if we don't do any gifting, right? So on that note, I'd like to invite Mr. Joshi back on stage, please. BSE has a tradition of gifting, so let's get on with it. Thank you, sir. We now invite the leadership of Group Landmark to come and accept mementos from BSc. Chairman, Mr. Sanjay Thakur, to accept the customary gong memento and I believe a bull as well. Lovely. Let's give them a big round of applause. I think this is a moment for a picture. Let's make more noise, everyone. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sanjay. Mr. Ariman Thakur to please come on stage and accept the memento. Yes, that noise is better when made by more people together. Big round of applause. I'd like to invite Mr. Surendra Agrawal to also come and accept the memento, please. Yes, please do make more noise, everyone. The front row is not making noises. Mr. Surendra Agrawal. Ms. Garima Mishra. The proud team Landmark leadership. Next, I'd like to invite Mr. Harshal Desai. So there's a staircase that side as well, if that's closer. Walk it, walk it. These are moments to relish forever. Mr. Paras Somani. Well, yes, that's how a car horn sounds, right? In the olden years. Mr. Devang Dave. This is the strong leadership of Landmark, which has made this day happen, everyone. Cheer for them. Mr. Rajiv Vora. That's the spirit, that's the spirit. Miss Urvi Modi. I think this is the time the entire leadership should come up and take pictures, or maybe we can do that together in a bit. Congratulations to all of us, Team Landmark. Thank you, Mr. Joshi. Oh. Big round of applause, everyone. Lovely. Thank you, Mr. Joshi. Now, gifting is such a wonderful tradition. In fact, Mr. Joshi, why don't you stay on the stage? You want to invite somebody? Okay. May I? All right. Mr. Joshi, if you could please stay on the stage, and I'd like to invite Mr. Sanjay Thakur to felicitate Shri Joshi from BSc with a special memento on behalf of Group Landmark as a remembrance of this day. Everyone, make some noise. That's a beautiful car. Thank you, both of you. I'd request Mr. Ariman Tucker to please come on stage and give a memento to Mr. Ashish Nigam from Axis Capital. It's a busy road ahead. Let's make some more noise. Thank you, gentlemen. May I now invite Ms. Garima Mishra to come and honor Mr. Vijay Chandok from ICICI Securities. ICICI Securities, Mr. Chandok. Congratulations. Thank you, both of you. May I now invite Mr. Paras Somani to come and give a memento to Mr. Dheeraj Priyani from Meta Capital Advisors. That's a picture moment, definitely. Thank you, both of you. May I now invite Mr. Harshal Desai to please come and honor Mr. Kartikeya Raval from Deloitte Haskins and Sells. Congratulations, sir. May I now invite Mr. Devang Dve to please come and give memento to Mr. K.K. Solanki from Manubai and Shah. Somebody's got a fan following here. Thank you, gentlemen. I'd like to now invite Ms. Urvi Modi to please come and honor Mr. Soumya Mohapatra from Khaitan and Co. with a memento. Mr. Rajiv Vora to join us on stage and give away the memento to Mr. Shrikant Tarun from Shardul Amarchand and Mangal Das. Hanji. And now, Mr. Surendra Agrawal to please come and honor Mr. Haresh Hinduja from Link In Time India Private Limited. Let's give them a big round of applause. Mr. Ariman Thakkar to please come and honor Concept Communication. Please give a big round of applause. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we are nearing that time which we have all been eagerly waiting for, the famous bell ringing ceremony, or popularly known as the gong ceremony. I'd like to invite the Landmark Board of Directors, all the Landmark Board of Directors, along with our CFO and Mrs. Ami Thakkar, to please come center of the stage to line up for the bell ringing ceremony. Yeah. Yeah. And I'd like to request everyone in the audience to remain seated so the cameras can capture the moment. This is a picture moment. Please do line up, everyone. And when the countdown begins, I'd like everyone to join me in the countdown. Now I'd like to invite, I'm sorry. Now I'd like to invite our BRLMs, Mr. Ashish Nigam, Mr. Chandok, to also please join us on the stage. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Let's make some noise, everyone. Ring those gongs. This is the moment we all had been waiting for. That's right, ladies. Everyone, please take pictures. What a day, what a day. Please, go ahead, sir. We are now listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to invite Aprajita Thakkar, Spruha Thakkar, and all of our CEOs to please join on stage and take opportunity to ring the bell. This is your moment, ladies and gentlemen. Please come, please join us. Yes, the horn stopped ringing. All the cars. What a lovely landmark family. Come, please come forward. That's it. This is the leadership of Landmark that has made this day happen. Give a wave to everyone online, everyone. Others in the crowd who want to be a part of this moment, please join in. It's a huge stage, and this is moment for all of you. Every Landmarkian should be on the stage, I guess, on this moment. Who wants to sit it out? You can join on stage or in front of the stage as well, as long as you don't hide the gong. Lovely.
अमोल वाजवलं की दोन 2-3 ठिकाणी वाजवलं.
Anji, I'm just. Well, I guess this is a moment. Now everyone is beyond control. So I'd let everyone take the opportunity to take pictures with the gong, ring the bell. And in the meanwhile, refreshments are open on the left-hand side of the stage. Please do join us for some refreshments, everyone. We really thank you from the bottom of our heart to join us on this special day. Thank you.
Thank you. It was very nicely done.